Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to select your gender on OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then next we're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on the pencil button right under your name. Then you're going to click on gender. So there are three options. Then you're going to select your gender. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So that's how you select your gender. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's a shopping app, so it has different type of properties, models, different car types. So you guys could search and look for what you want. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.